Alright, so I just got my package, my Magnicore shaker cup today. It was supposed to be here on Saturday, I think, but it didn't come. It was too late. So finally, it's Monday, and I got it. So I ordered this about a week ago about, and so yeah, it comes with a nice little Magnicore sticker on top. I like it. The Magnicore logo's pretty dope. So I got my big little saber knife here, and we'll just cut her right open. Cut away from yourself. Remember that, especially with something that can just decapitate you in 2 seconds. Yeah. Like, I missed the pre-order, so I didn't get the deal. But it's fine. Whatever. I still got it. So, big... Goddamn. Look at this. Big moment of truth here. Got some nice bubble wrap. I like it. I like popping bubble wrap here. Alright, so here's the little bag on it. And...
1, 2, 3, come on, make it bounce!
Alright, so... Damn. So, this is what it's looking like. I got the infrared. Looks pretty damn dope. So yeah, you got the Magnicore logo on there. You got the Cyclone Cup little logo thing on there. Open her up. Makes a nice little pop sound. It's a pretty big cup. Well, I mean, not really. Whoa, what is this? What is that? I'm not sure what that does at the bottom there. So, open her up. Okay, you got the little technology thing that they got in here. A little like shaking technology and whatnot. You got a little message that says thank you, whatnot. Thank you for supporting a small business. Oh snap! Share a photo or video on Instagram or Twitter and mention Magnicore Energy. We would love to hear your thoughts and see your experiences. Hell yeah, I am. I'm making a video right now. Alright, so inside you got their little business card with it as well. And then the last thing here is just like a press to seal. And we get a Magnicore sticker. I have it wrong. Yeah, Magnicore sticker. So, yeah. It even has a little like, you won't see it, it's too dark, but there's a little dial thing on there as well. So, get these flies away from me, oh my lord. So we'll just pop this back on. Gotta hear the little, just a little. Alright, well, last little, I'll get there, I'll get it in the light here. Okay, so this is kind of a better view. I got a nice little light up there, shining down. So yeah, it's really nice, really slick, and you can see the little, little gauge thing there. See how much you want to put in. But yeah, then you got Cyclone Cup. Is that like a cup if you want to like, have your friend try some? It's really weird. Cyclone Cup. Alright. Oh. Yeah, so that's it. And time to do some sick shots with it. Let's go.